Endurance sports, whether running, cycling, or swimming, demand a blend of physical strength and mental resilience. To cultivate both, one must embark on a deliberate training journey. The foundation of endurance training lies in gradually building mileage or time spent in the saddle or water. This progressive overload encourages your body to adapt to greater demands, thus improving your aerobic capacity and stamina. Each session should be viewed not just as a workout, but as a stepping stone towards a more robust version of yourself. Incorporating variety is essential to prevent plateaus and maintain motivation. For runners, mixing tempo runs with long, slow distance sessions creates a well-rounded regimen. Cyclists can alternate between hill repeats and leisurely rides to boost strength and endurance. Swimmers should integrate drills focusing on technique, speed work, and distance sets to refine their stroke and build lung capacity. This multifaceted approach not only enhances performance, but also keeps training fresh and exciting, further empowering the athlete's psychological resolve. Recovery plays a vital role in endurance training. After arduous training sessions, your muscles require time to repair and recuperate. Without proper recovery, you risk injury and burnout. Incorporate rest days into your routine and listen to your body's signals. Engaging in active recovery activities such as gentle yoga or light swimming can aid in flushing out toxins and reducing muscle soreness. Moreover, nutrition is the fuel that powers endurance. Prioritize a balanced diet rich in carbohydrates for energy, proteins for muscle repair, and healthy fats for overall wellness. Hydration is equally crucial, impacting performance even before you feel thirsty. Aim to hydrate consistently, both during training and throughout the day. Finally, mental preparation is just as critical as physical conditioning. Visualization techniques can be effective. Picture yourself crossing the finish line or summiting a challenging hill. Embrace the uncomfortable moments in training, as they often mirror the challenges faced during competitions. Establishing goals, both short and long-term, can also help maintain focus and determination throughout your training journey. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each improvement builds confidence and mental strength. With a well-balanced program that prioritizes endurance, recovery, and mental fortitude, you will not only enhance your physical capabilities, but also discover the boundless joys that come with mastering endurance sports. Endurance sports demand not only physical strength, but also mental resilience. Whether you are hitting the pavement for a run, pedaling through winding roads on your bike, or navigating the waves while swimming, training effectively is crucial. The first step in building endurance is to establish a strong base through consistent training. During this phase, focus on gradually increasing your mileage or duration. Allow your body to adapt, as each session builds on the last, helping you develop stamina without risking injury. Nutrition plays an indispensable role in endurance training. Consuming the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats fuels your workouts and supports recovery. Carbohydrates serve as your primary energy source. Incorporating whole grains, fruits, and vegetables into your meals ensures that your glycogen stores are topped up. Post-training, a combination of protein and carbs aids muscle repair and replenishes lost energy, helping you bounce back in preparation for your next session. As training progresses, incorporating interval workouts can elevate your performance. Intervals alternate bursts of high-intensity effort with periods of active recovery, forcing your body to adapt to varying intensities. For runners, this could mean sprinting for 400 meters, followed by a slower pace. Cyclists might incorporate hill repeats, while swimmers can focus on fast-paced laps interspersed with recovery sets. These workouts increase your aerobic capacity and improve speed and efficiency, enhancing overall endurance. Strength training is equally essential for endurance athletes. Targeting your core, legs, and glutes through exercises like squats, deadlifts, and planks fortifies the muscle groups that sustain your sport. Stronger muscles improve energy transfer and reduce fatigue, allowing you to push through longer durations. Include these workouts 2 to 3 times a week, utilizing moderate weights and high repetitions to build muscular endurance without excessive bulk. Finally, never underestimate the importance of recovery in endurance training. Sleep is your greatest ally. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night to facilitate muscle repair and cognitive function. Additionally, consider incorporating rest days, easy recovery workouts, and active stretching or yoga to promote flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. With adequate rest, your body is better equipped to handle the rigors of rigorous training, leading to enhanced performance on race day. By following these tips, you not only prepare your body physically, but also foster a profound mental connection to your endurance sports. Embrace the journey, relish the challenges, and soon you'll find that your limits are simply waiting to be pushed.